Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our 2017 Jaguar F-Pace R-Sport we have new in stock. This R-Sport is finished in Santorini black. You've got lots of standard R-Sport inclusions throughout the exterior visible. For example, the 19-inch style 5038 alloy wheels. You've got the R-Sport body kit with the more aggressive front bumper and rear bumper. You've also got the gloss black roof rails and privacy glass as an optional feature. You do have the bi-Xenon headlights with the headlight power washer as well, part of the R-Sport inclusions. And you've got LED rear lights, chrome tailpipes at the rear, again part of the R-Sport inclusions. Moving to the interior, you've got the grained leather seats as part of the R-Sport inclusions. You've got your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel here as standard, access to cruise control on the right-hand side. You've got the piano black inlay trims throughout the centre console. You can see some of your driving modes available here. Moving up, you've got your climate control settings. You've got access to your heated seat controls through the center screen here, also DAB radio, and you do have parking sensors as standard. Lastly, you've got the USB charging sockets in the rear as an optional feature, as well as a power tailgate and the Wi-Fi hotspot. If you'd like any more information or would like to see the full specification sheet for this 2017 Jaguar F-Pace, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.